Hello guys, I've decided to do my short video on adding a simple product using WooCommerce on Wordpress. You can do this from your storefront site. You can go to new and then add product, or you can go to your dashboard, go to product, and go to add product. For the sake of the video, I'm just going to use The Walking Dead comic volume 1. Here you could add a description of the video, or I'm sorry, a description of the product, or add media. Here you would select your product data. You could choose between simple product, group product, external, and variable product. Simple product is what we're going to be talking about today. Here you would select virtual if it's a service, something intangible, and you would select downloadable if it's a file or a software. You would also set the price. So let's say this is $30 normally. We're going to have a sale for $15. You can set that indefinitely, or you can set a schedule. Let's say October 31st through November 6th. Next is inventory. These are SKUs. They're also known as shopkeeping units. These are usually 7 digits. You can set those. It helps you maintain your stock, and it helps a lot actually. Here you can enable stock management at the product level, so you can set the quantity. You can select it to allow back orders, and you can also have your stock status here. And you can also enable or disable this ability to only allow the customer to buy a single item of this SKU here. And this is important, like if you have big sales or anything, it limits people from buying all of your product and not letting other people get a chance to purchase it. Next would be shipping. This is important if you're charging for heavy items on your shipping. You would have set this up when you set up your WooCommerce plugin. So this is important if you want to accurately charge somebody for shipping. Next will be link products. So the upsells, this is going to be if there's products that are higher quality or more popular or harder selling items in your store, and the upsells where you would add those products so that when they selected the product, it would promote the upsold products. Cross sales is any product that is related to the product that they have in their cart. For example, on here, this is the volume 1 comic. For example, you would have the rest of the comics that followed after that, the volume 1 through infinity with these. With grouping is going to be a collection of something. So if you wanted to set it to where if they bought the first one, they could also purchase the rest as a group. You could add that there. So like volume 1 through 20. That'd be a way to add that as a group. Next would be advanced. Here you can add a purchase note. This will go straight to the customer after purchasing. You can set your menu order, and you can also disable or enable reviews for this particular product. So over here to the right, you'll see product categories. This is where you would have categories like books, clothing, furniture, etc. Product tags is something that is relatable. These are terms that are relatable to the product. So in my case, comic, book, action, post-apocalyptic, stuff like that, those would be product tags for this particular product. Product image is going to be the image that they see initially looking at the product. And then your product gallery here is going to be photos that you would add. So when they clicked on your product, it showed subsequent photos underneath of that photo, underneath the product image photo. That's pretty much it. You would hit publish here, And it's pretty simple to add a simple product onto WooCommerce. And thanks for watching, guys.